Yo my people, what is going on? Decided to record for a video here in my car. I hope you guys are doing well, hope you're trading. Now, who is to blame for your forex losses? Who is to blame for your forex losses? Now, I know so many people go out there and say, no, this person, the market, the banks are manipulating the market. I'm blaming the brokers, blaming spread, blaming market condition, blaming the news. You can blame anything you want to blame, but the whole truth is all blame goes to you as a trader. Nobody is ever going to help you to become profitable. It is only yourself that becomes profitable or becomes a loser in the forex market. The earlier you understand that, the better is for you. Now, mentors and forex educators are there to help you, to guide you on your journey to profitability, but they are not there to make you profitable. You are the one responsible for yourself to become responsible enough for you to take trades in a responsible way for you to see yourself becoming profitable. And also, whenever you take a trade, remember to go back to that trade history. Whether you've won the trade or you've lost the trade, check and see what caused you to lose the trade, and also check and see why you won the trade. Journal your trades, and it will help you to avoid some mistakes that most traders make, and then they end up blaming other people as to why they are not successful. I myself, I had the same issue going on in my life, and the earlier I understood that I am responsible for my own losses and my own profits, that is the sooner I became responsible for my own trades and therefore profitable. So try as much as possible to go backwards and look at the trades you're taking, whether you took them wisely or foolishly. Go back and check all your trades. Make sure that you took those trades with an informed decision. And if you made a mistake, next time when you're going to take a trade, first check and see if you are not going to repeat the same mistake that caused you a loss in the previous trade. In doing that, it will help you to really establish an edge within the market that will help you to grow your account. I hope you guys find this short video valuable. If you find it valuable, smash the like button, subscribe, and also comment down below with anything you want me to help you with. Yeah, so let us stop blaming other people, but take responsibility for our own trades. Learn to journal your trades, and also make sure you check for any errors before you take a trade, so that when a trade goes into profit, you know why it has gone to profit and you can account for it. And if it goes in a loss, you can check and see which mistakes caused you to enter a loss that went to enter a trade that went into a loss. I hope this will help you guys. Until next time, peace out.